Unleash your puzzle-solving skills with the NYT Connections challenge. Today's brain teaser will either bring you closer or leave you scratching your head. The NYT Connections puzzle for December 4th, number 907, is a delightful journey through word associations. But here's where it gets tricky. Some phrases are deceptively straightforward, while others are downright peculiar. Are you ready to dive in? The NYT Connections bot is here to assist. Similar to Wordle's helper, this AI companion provides a numeric score and analyzes your answers. And for the data enthusiasts, the Times Games section now offers a detailed progress tracker. You can monitor your puzzle-solving prowess, win rate, and even your perfect score streak. Talk about a nerd's paradise. Let's unravel the hints. Yellow group, picture a cozy evening on the couch. It's time to hint, snuggle. Green group, raise a glass and celebrate. Hint, cheers. Blue group, when you're feeling crafty, you hint, assemble. Purple group, these creatures have unique noses. Hint, mammal snouts. And now, the answers. Yellow group, cuddle. The words to find are draw close, hold tight, nuzzle, and spoon. Green group, imbibe. Get ready to guzzle, knock back, pound down, and swill. Blue group, things you assemble. From Ikea furniture to Lego sets, models, and puzzles, these words will test your building skills. Purple group, snouts. Beak, muzzle, proboscis, and rostrum, these words will have you sniffing out the right answers. But wait, there's more. CNET has a cheat sheet for Wordle enthusiasts, revealing the most popular letters in English words. And don't forget to add CNET as a preferred Google source for all your tech-related needs. So, did you manage to solve today's Connections puzzle? What did you think of the hints and answers? Share your thoughts and strategies in the comments, and let's spark a friendly debate on the best approach to conquering these word puzzles.